Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm here to share my experience regarding articles publishing in English newspapers, and this is specifically for Pakistan. So now let's start this topic. Actually, to get your articles or opinions or whatever you say, to get your articles published in Dawn, Daily Times, Dunia News blogs, Parlo blogs, and many more, you just need to write uh, in a clear manner. So the first point is you need to be concise. You need to be brief. You shouldn't exaggerate your point. Just write whatever you want to write and don't exaggerate that point. Like, don't write that point more than one or two lines, right? Because you are not writing any novel. Whenever you write a novel or anything like that is related to creative writing, you just actually make sure that that is exaggerated and that makes any like exaggeration in that para or you can say the whole chapter. But here, when you get your articles published in newspaper, they publish your articles on the basis of your conciseness. Okay, the overall conciseness of your essay or opinion or article, whatever you say. Second thing is you need to keep the direction specific. Again, when you get concise, when you write in a specific manner, you keep that direction specific, then that things make sense actually to the editor of newspapers. So keep the direction specific. Don't go beyond your topic. Whatever your topic is, just write about that. Third thing is there shouldn't be any grammatical mistakes, and that is obvious actually. Whether you write in Urdu or English, grammatical mistakes should not be there. Okay, so because they won't publish your article, then they have to do a lot of editing, and if they have to do a lot of editing in your article, they won't publish it, they won't like it actually. And then we have proper syntax structure. Again, your writing should be proper, like it should be clear. You shouldn't add any slang words, any slang language. You should use those vocabulary and those diction words which are actually the part of dictionary. Okay, so it will make your writing professional. So the more your writing is professional, the more are the chances that it will get published. Then we have idioms. If you add idioms, like while writing, you add two to three idioms, or actually two or one idiom in your essay or opinion, then it will actually make your writing creative. Plus, it will make your writing very attractive, you can say. Then, quotation in the beginning. I myself do this thing that whenever I write in an article about anything, I try to use quotations of any person, any popular person. I just get those quotation from Google. Then I add that quotation and then I write below that quotation. Okay, that quotation should be about your whatever topic you are writing about. Okay, then the process is you just need to collect the data and words before writing. See, um, every field has its own register means words. So whether you are writing about pharmacy, you are writing about any medical issue, you are writing about any field that is totally different like finance, so the words and the diction should be related to that specific area. So keep this thing in your mind while writing. Sorry, before writing. Then while whenever you just sit down to write, just write about, but whatever comes in your mind related to that topic, you should write about that topic. Okay, don't care about editing. After writing, just try to edit that part. Okay, like grammatical mistakes and the words which you feel that should not be used in that para or that line, you just remove that those words. So do editing, and then I myself do this thing that I review after 1 or 2 days of writing. Whenever I write any topic, I just let it at any place, and then after 2 or 3 days I again read my topic, my own written article. Then I find out many actually mistakes, and I feel that no, this is wrong, this is right, and I did actually I edit effectively. So I added that part. So this is a tip for beginners, for those who actually want their articles get published in newspapers. These are some tips. If you have any query regarding this, you can actually comment. Thank you so much. So this was all about articles publishing.